Hello, hi everybody, good morning. Alright, so very good morning, and I hope you all are doing well. So once everybody join the session, we will get it started. Meanwhile, you can write in the comment box how you all are doing, what is new, what is happening around. Hope you all are doing well. Your family is absolutely fine. It's good to see you all here joining. Thank you very much. Hello. Hi Neeraj. Hi Vedya. Hello Rohit. Welcome everybody. I am absolutely fine. How are you all? I am at home, working from home, yes. Hi Vedya, I'm absolutely fine. Hope you are doing well too. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Today's live session is of course very special. Why? Because we all know that this month is of course a special month. Why? Because we are celebrating motherhood, and I have seen a lot of pictures that you all have posted on your Insta, and that's very beautiful. So today's session is basically about how being a mother, you choose to work, and how you work with this routine. I know that a lot of us have this experience that being a mother and then choosing work is quite difficult, but दोनों चीज़ों को एक साथ लेकर चलना, दोनों चीज़ों को मैनेज करना इज अ टास्क. सो आज हम मिलने वाले हैं एक ऐसे स्पेशल पर्सन से जो लॉयर हैं, राइट, एक यंग मॉम है और उसी के साथ साथ में डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं. सो आई एम श्योर दैट वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड टू नो दैट हाउ शी is managing her work with being a mother, and taking care of her family, taking care of her child. So this session is gonna be very interesting because I have a lot of questions to ask to this young mom, and I want you all to meet her, and if you want to ask, you can ask in the comment. So let's get started. I hope Megha you are there. I am sending you the invitation. All right, so hi Megha, how are you?
Hi Jyoti, how are you?
Good. I am absolutely fine. You are looking stunning.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, same to you. You're looking so good.
Thank you Megha. So Megha, first I want you to introduce yourself because we have a lot of viewers right now who have already joined us.
Okay, perfect. Okay, am I visible? Is everything okay, clear? Since this is my first,
Yes.
Insta live, I am a little nervous, and yes, super excited too.
Yes, everything is absolutely fine. You are clearly audible, and yes, everything is fine. You can go ahead.
Okay, great. Well, some of the followers who've been watching me on Instagram probably might already have an idea. Well, this is Megha here, formerly Bhatia and now Aganpal. If I talk about myself, I come from an aviation engineering background, and then I'm a qualified lawyer. I have about 12 years of work experience. Last, I was working as business head HR with a company in Gurgaon, and currently I am a full-time mom and a full-time entrepreneur too.
All right,
With
perfect.
Oriflame, I am a director currently in Delhi.
Awesome, Megha. Yes, yes. Megha, I have a lot of questions to ask you here today. One is about your business that you are currently working with, and the second is we'll be talking about the motherhood, of course, because this month is very, very special, right? So I want you to tell me that how would you describe the word mother?
Okay, well, so if I have to talk about mother, well, I don't think I can describe it in probably one word or even 100 words. It's probably it's more of a emotion, ehsas that I would call it, and probably sabki life mein it's the strongest one. That when you're a child, when it comes to your mother, and once you become a mother, it definitely is a whole world in itself. That
True.
it's probably the most beautiful thing.
Yeah, I agree. I agree, Megha. And what is your favorite memory of your mother that you can never forget? That one memory that you want to share with us?
Okay, so I come from a very close knit family where my sisters, me, my parents, we've had a whole bunch of good memories to cherish all our life. If I talk about my mother, she has always been a very kind and compassionate woman. Uh, okay, and unfortunately, physically, I don't have her with me anymore. But if I talk about one memory, then so it's basically on my birthday since the time I can go back, मतलब जब से मुझे याद है मैंने होश संभाला है types. uh, on my birthday morning used to start with the number of kisses that I used to turn on that particular year, yeah, date. Matlab, if I've turned 10 years, then it used to be 10 kisses, and 15, then 15, 20, then 20 kisses, and that's how my birthday morning used to start. And having said that, she's been a working woman. She's worked all her life, even till the last date. She has been working. She's been financially independent. Despite that, the time that I was born, she used to make sure that she used to call me or message me at that time, irrespective of the fact कि मैं दुनिया में कहीं भी हूँ, because I've always been into a traveling job and I used to travel a lot. So मैं कहीं पे भी हूँ, her message used to come exactly at the same time. So that has been very special and one memory I can never ever forget in my life.
Yeah, that's awesome, Megha, and I absolutely agree. Mothers are like this only, they are always caring and loving. वो कभी हमारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ते हैं ना, हम कितने भी बड़े हो जाएं, चाहे
Oh
हमारी
yes,
शादी भी हो गई है,
absolutely.
कुछ भी हो गया है, they are
मतलब
always
अभी हम
right.
देखते हैं ना that so many people complain, oh I was working, I was engaged in something, I was busy in business meetings and all. I'm sure she had her share too, but remembering that exact moment and exact time even while working in a bank, that is commendable. शायद मैं भी नहीं कर सकती.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, absolutely right. Now I have a very, very, interesting and important question to you. Megha, you are a lawyer, right? Then you had this job also, HR professional.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you leave that job and why did you join Oriflame? I mean, you had such a great career over there. You were earning a very, very handsome income, but you left, right? And then you joined Oriflame. I want to know why.
Okay. So when I joined Oriflame, I was still working as business head HR, like I mentioned, with a company in Gurgaon. This started as my alternate income plan. So when my daughter was born, I kind of, since I was associated with that company for a very long time, I requested for a work from home kind of a model with them. Okay, and I'm sure आज के time में सबको पता होगा that in pandemic we are forced to work from home. So अगर ऑफिस में आपको वो 6 to 7 hours देने पड़ते हैं, when you're working from home तो वो 8 to 10 hours आपको देने पड़ते थे. Okay, and while taking care of my daughter, if I have meetings, then I my husband's a lawyer, so both of us, we used to manage things in a manner that I plan my meetings when he has to take a day off to spend with our daughter, and that's how we used to shuffle the things. कि एक दिन वो ऑफिस जा रहे हैं if I have a meeting, and the other day I used to go, so that's how we used to plan. However, I still had to invest about 8 to 10 hours every day on the system while taking care of my daughter. And that's when I realized that I am looking for something which gives me a little more freedom when it comes to time, and also still keeps me financially independent and strong. That's when I started this as my side hustle. It was never a full-time plan as such, because शायद तब तक मुझे भी इस business opportunity का, इस company का potential उतना नहीं पता था. I started this as my side hustle along with my full-time job. And धीरे धीरे when I reached a platform where I started earning much more in just about few months, which I could compare it to probably that, a full-time salary that I was getting in the company, जहाँ I was giving about 10-12 hours, और यहाँ वो सिर्फ flexibly 4 घंटे काम करके, वो भी अपने schedule के हिसाब से. When I have time, when my daughter is sleeping, I take a meeting. When probably she's playing with me, I can make calls with my team. So that's when I decided to, quit my job, because I wanted a little more that, time to spend with her, and also a little more flexibility in terms of a lot of things.
Right. And Megha, you have a lot of people in your network. Jahan pe we have professionals also, then we have youngsters also, right? And we have all kind of people in our network. In your network. How do you, suggest them to take the step that you have taken already, and you have transformed the life, right? And how do you describe this? The transformation that you feel, or maybe you have, let's say कि वो transformation आपने खुद देखा है या किया है अपने अंदर. How you want to describe that?
Okay, so that I feel, since I already have a team of more than 2,500 women with me currently, all of us are working together. So if I really have to say anything to them, then yes, the foremost would be that, have a little faith and trust in the opportunity. It has much more to offer when it comes to a corporate job, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे that there's a lot of commitment for very less returns. You're working for somebody at the end of the day. Here, you're working for yourself, for your family. Okay, which is one, that is the trust. And second, if I have to say, then, a little more commitment. अगर हम job पे जाते हैं, then we definitely end up spending about 8 to 10 hours. Here, even if we are spending about half an hour, then we feel that, oh, आज तो मैंने बहुत कुछ कर लिया. So I feel a little commitment, if not 8 to 10 hours, maybe just about a committed 3-4 hours, or maybe even 3 hours, 2 hours. But yes, committed time when you are giving to the business, if not much, would definitely make it happen. I have my own share of, if probably my daughter is not too well, or she's cranky, or she wants some more time with me, or anybody in the family is not keeping too well, since, we stay with our parents and all of us together. So you can always manage things. It's just a little management that's needed.
Right. I agree. And what is your current routine? How do you manage it with your work? See, जब आप काम कर रहे थे, when you were working as a HR professional, of course, उस time पे आपका routine बिल्कुल different होगा. But now you are in Oriflame and you are working from home and you have all the freedom. You are the boss of your own business. So how do you feel it? What is the change in your routine? और वो आपके काम के साथ कैसे मैच करता है?
Okay, well, the only change that has come in last, उससे पहले भी, since I was working from home, after leaving the job, it has been a very simple routine that I have followed, which has really worked for me. And that is, I try to get up at least about 2.5 hours early than my daughter, since she gets up at around 9:30, since summer vacations are on. And उसका summer camp के classes वो थोड़ा देर से start होते हैं. So I try to get up around 6:37 when I have enough time to plan things, and things when I don't, which, I can't really do with her, kind of thing. So that, for instance, if there is something that I need to prepare when it comes to kitchen, or else most of my teammates, they know कि मेघा के messages 8 o'clock से आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, because that is the time to connect with the team. Okay, and we kind of plan our day accordingly. If I have something that I have to plan to keep her engaged, तो वो time मैं वहाँ use कर लेती हूँ. And not just that, I plan my day in that time. I also get some me time during that time, which I feel is very, very important. और ladies की life में वो generally नहीं हो पाता है. Just getting up about 20 minutes early really makes a difference. My me time is, I have my cup of coffee, I have a book to read, and that is it. That really sets my tone for the day. And that has been helping. So, routine may generally morning before she gets up, I kind of manage and plan the day. And after that, I kind of schedule my things as per her schedule rather than that, putting it the other way across, because then the kids get cranky. So when she has class, I am kind of engaged with my team through messages and all. Then I plan my webinars after her lunch. So when either she's taking a nap, like I mentioned, that, or she's sleeping, she's playing, I give her things to play like puzzles, painting, etc. And that's the time when I plan my meetings and webinars. And calls I can always do with her. Matlab, there are people who say I have a chota baby and I can do anything. But believe me, आजकल के kids are like super smart. उनको सिर्फ बताने की देर होती है. मतलब even for my live session currently, abhi she is not with me because she's down. She's with my husband. Otherwise, I'm very sure I would have done my live session with her.
Oh my God! I know. Now the kids are very, very smart. Yes. They want to be, everywhere.
Oh yes, it's just that we need to know what is her interest and how you can keep her engaged. Now she likes to paint, she likes to play puzzles. So we have so many coloring books for her. We've got so many different puzzles that she can play with. She sits with me while I take my meetings, and it's quite decent like that. However, if it's something really which I don't really want her to be around, or she's a little cranky, then the daddy dear comes to rescue. जैसे कि अभी.
Right. I agree. And it's like, अपने routine को इसमें fit करना is, little tricky. But yes, when you have the opportunity to work from home, और उसमें भी आपको पता है कि you are the boss और आप अपनी तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं. I mean, there is no 9 to 6
so
time
which is true. Now, if she's taking a nap, I can plan my meeting accordingly. Right. And there is generally a specific time जब babies take a nap. तो आप उस टाइम पे ऑलरेडी अपनी मीटिंग्स प्लान कर सकते हो. When she is playing with you, you can make calls, you can keep her engaged, and you can still connect with your people or connect with more people. And I think सिर्फ उसका routine that setting baby's routine and then changing your routine accordingly really helps. बाकी see, when it comes to elders, सबके अपने routines होते हैं. So if I talk about my parents, like the in-laws, they have a set routine. उनको lunch एक time पे चाहिए, उनको dinner एक time पे चाहिए. So which is quite sorted like that. It's just the baby जिसका routine set करना पड़ता है.
Right. I agree. Now, Megha, I want to ask you, what do you hope for your children?
Okay. So, like I mentioned, I come from, my mother has always been working, and my parents have always focused on two aspects, which is one, good education, celebrating small little things in life, and the third and the foremost is being financially independent. I mean, they have given this thing to us, to me, to my sisters, that, you got to be financially independent, which is one big thing. Doesn't matter if you get, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, जरूरत पड़े ना पड़े, doesn't really matter, but you should be, because, it's something that it should be in you as a woman, as a girl, as a lady, that you should be financially strong. And when it comes to my daughter, that, me and my husband, we are on the same platform where we talk that, giving a good education is probably something we would always focus on. And also making her emotionally strong and also financially strong and independent is something I would always want. Doesn't really matter what profession she chooses. It, we have no set things in our mind. But yes, we would always want her to be financially independent is what I say. That, and now the good thing is that, the company that I'm associated with, something that जो मुझे पहले नहीं पता था, that, Oriflame has this beautiful dream program, which is my favorite thing. That, yes, it gives you a kind of a set amount of money, which you can which I've already enrolled for. So, you can use it for your baby's education. Higher education. Yes. So, I already am kind of, in a way, have a certain amount of money which I can use for her higher education if need be. The business, even if she chooses some other profession, this business would definitely give her financial independence, because it's more like a legacy I'm creating for her. If she's the nominee, it goes for her. So, she would always be financially independent, which is a good thing. So, these are just two aspects that I really love about this company, apart from the other ones.
Yeah, and this is the beauty of the company that, you can get whatever you want. Oriflame आपको बाएं खोले बोलता है, आपको जितना लेना है, जो चाहिए इस business से, you
True,
can have
true.
it. I mean, just आपका determination, that is of course very very important. कितना focused है और उसके साथ में कितने passionate है आप काम करने के लिए, that matters. क्या
Very true,
background
very
है,
true.
कितना education है, आपको क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है, it does not matter, right? This is the business जो कि हर किसी के लिए है, आप चाहे कहीं से भी हैं कैसे भी हैं, it really doesn't matter.
Oh yes, so in my team, like I mentioned, I've got women who are even maybe 10th or 11th pass out, and they belong to those small cities और जिनकी शायद जरूरत है to earn money. Then we've got even college students जो अपने student loans उतारना चाहते हैं because they don't want to burden their parents anymore, and they have been working decently and earning decently. Then we've got even ex-corporates and young moms like me who've taken a break from their career and still want to be financially independent. तो मतलब अगर कहीं का भी आप बात करते हो, then you definitely have something to offer for everybody. And the business is so simple कि मेरे को लगता है कोई भी कर सकता है. It's just that you need to have some dreams and a little passion. That's all.
Correct. And then we are there to train them.
Oh yes, always.
All right, so let's move forward. Now the other question is, what did you do to get through the difficult, times in your life? As we all know that nowadays many of us are facing difficult time, of course. I hope that everybody is doing well and the family and everything is fine. But Megha, what you do?
Okay, so if I have to think of it, अगर मैं difficult times की बात करूँ, then I have been very blessed that, and I know a lot of people have not been so blessed जहाँ पे difficult times financial crisis भी होते हैं. I have always been blessed कि at least वो वाले difficult times we have never really seen. However, yes, losing close people, as in closest ones, also is something that I consider as difficult times because that's a physical loss and it's irreplaceable. Like losing my mom, losing my mama has something that we could never really get them back in our lives. Okay, so अगर मैं उन difficult times की बात करूँ, then yes, there are few things that really worked for me. Definitely one is spending time with your closed ones. जो मेरे को लगता है कि आज के टाइम में भी बहुत लोग नहीं करते हैं. मतलब अगर हम if we are in a problem, if we are among some issues, we feel कि यार किसी से बात करके क्या होगा. नहीं होगा. Emotionally आपको बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. When you have your own people to talk to your people, spend time with them. If you are a mom, believe me, spend time with your kids. They have heart of God. They're such lovely creatures कि आपको इतना busy रखेंगे that you actually get back to sanity. The second that has helped me is the hobby of reading books. So I have always been an avid reader all my life. So, and if there is anybody who needs to hear this, अपनी hobbies में invest करना शुरू कर दो, because that really helps you in case you are struggling through a tough time, which a lot of people are. And third is probably that, distract your mind. So for us, getting back to business, getting back to work, spending time with your teammates, planning things, taking new initiatives, always help us because, it kind of keeps you engaged and finding that, you get a purpose in life. आपको एक vision मिलता है life में that, you can actually change people's lives और आप जो है आपकी life में शायद आप उनके लिए जीना शुरू कर देते हो.
I agree. Yeah, I absolutely agree कि आपको लगता है कि कोई भी चीज आपको बॉदर कर रही है, जो भी आपके आसपास लोग हैं, गो एंड टॉक टू देम. मतलब आप ये ना सोचे कि शायद सामने वाला मुझे जज करेगा या मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. इनफैक्ट जिन पर आपको फेथ है, मे बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, मे बी योर फादर, योर सिस्टर, योर ब्रदर, इट कुड बी एनीबॉडी, जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू देम. क्योंकि जब आप नई बात करते हो तो आप अंदर उसे रखकर और ज्यादा परेशान होते हो. So
True. So, for us, like I kind of spend, if, I'm not in a very good mood, which can happen with anybody and everybody, ups and downs सबकी life में होते हैं. I kind of go and spend time with my daughter. I speak to my sisters, my dad, my husband, spend time with them. It really works very well, at least for me. I try to read. So there is this that, my family makes fun of me कि अगर मेघा कहीं भी परेशान है, give her a book and she'll be okay. So, and also invest in anything which really makes you happy, like getting back to business जो आपको distract कर सके. Obviously वो loss feel नहीं होता है, but distraction is important because you still have people in your life.
Right, I agree. So Megha, what are your favorite things to to do now, because we all are at home, we cannot go out, we cannot shop, we cannot go and have dinner. What you do? What is your favorite thing? Any one favorite thing that you do right now? I mean, in nowadays.
Okay, so it has to be books. My daughter likes to read, so I like to read stories with her. I like to read books myself. And honestly, उससे ज़्यादा किसी और चीज़ के लिए time ही नहीं मिलता ज्योति.
I agree. I agree. Since you are in Oriflame and you are empowering a lot of people. I mean, I want to say thank you, Megha. All right. So last question to you, Megha. What is that one message that you want to, share with all of us, whosoever is watching right now?
Okay, well, first, thank you so much, everyone who has been watching us. So, really a heartfelt, much love, gratitude, thank you. And all that I would want to say is that, we understand, और सबके साथ है, we are all of us are in this together. The times are bad, the times are really hard. But yes, invest in some real things. That, staying at home is not a punishment. शायद बहुतों को वो नहीं है अपॉर्चुनिटी उनके पास. They are not as blessed as all of us are. So take this time, stay at home, stay safe, because you really matter to your family, and invest in some real things, in probably emotions, in hobbies, in making yourself financially strong. Doesn't matter कि कल आपको उसकी जरूरत है कि नहीं है, but अगर कभी life gets you into tough times, जो आज के टाइम में हमने देखा है, that there are so many people, families have been destroyed, that because of this pandemic. तो अगर कभी जरूरत पड़े, which we would really hope कि किसी को ना पड़े, then you obviously have something to fall back on, and that I feel is necessity and need of the hour.
Yes, Megha, I absolutely agree. Since we all are at home right now, so please keep a good hand hygiene and make sure that you definitely take care of yourself and of course your family. So thank you very much, Megha. It was such a lovely live Insta session with you, and thank you very much for sharing your story, because this is something which is very inspirational, and being a mother and working digitally, it's something that is a task. So I want to salute to you, and I want to say thank you so much.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. When after this, since I see a lot of questions coming in case anyone's got any questions about how to balance things, how to probably deal with everything or anything related to business, I'm going to have a question answer session on my Insta, kind of written thing. So in case anyone wants, I'm all here to answer all of that. Thank you so much, Jyoti, for having me here. It was lovely talking to you. My first one, I don't know if I've done any goof ups. If I have, I'm really sorry, guys, but thank you for so much love. Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you. All right, so everybody, I hope that आपने सेशन एंजॉय किया, और उसी के साथ में अपने साथ में कुछ ना कुछ लर्निंग आप जरूर यहाँ से लेकर जा रहे हैं. प्लस माय मैसेज टू यू इज गिव अप ना करें, हार ना माने. फेलियर्स आएंगे, बहुत सारी चैलेंजेस आएंगे, बहुत सारे इस तरह के हर्डल्स आपको दिख सकते हैं, आप फेस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ एक चीज कहनी है अपने आप से, आई विल नॉट गिव अप. मैं गिव अप नहीं करूंगी, राइट? एंड अगर आपने ऐसा सोच लिया, ऐसा ठान लिया, ट्रस्ट मी, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू टू गेट द सक्सेस. ये टाइम है हमारे पास, हमें ये मौका मिला है, हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि हम कुछ कर सके, राइट? तो किसी भी चीज को अगर आप पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट से सोचेंगे, उसको यूटिलाइज करने की कोशिश करेंगे, इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो आप देखेंगे आपके पास में और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं करने के लिए. सो इसी तरीके से डटे रहें और अपने आप से कहते रहें कि मैं कभी गिव अप नहीं करूंगी, राइट? कुछ I love to read books like Megha, of course. So I have a line, I could say पंक्तियां हैं कुछ पोएम की, कुछ lines हैं that I want to say, and I want you all to implement it, right? और वो कुछ इस तरीके से हैं कि कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता है? ध्यान से सुनना, कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता है? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछाल कर देखो यारो। सो अगर आपने कुछ ठाना है, अगर आपने कुछ सोचा है और अगर आप उसे करना चाहते हैं, राइट, गो फॉर इट। दिस इज योर चांस। उसे आपको अभी करना है, आपको मौका मिला है, सो उसके लिए जाएं, करें और डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली अपने दिल की सुने। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच इस सेशन को ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आई होप यू ऑल हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम विद अस एंड yes, so be safe, keep a good hand hygiene and make sure that you are taking care of your good health. So thank you and all the best everybody. Thank you very much.